Hello students, welcome to SAM classes. Let's start the previous year's questions. Now let's see this question. It came in 2013. Now the question is telling us if A and B are two square matrices, so A and B both are square matrices of order n, and it is given us A square minus B square is equal to what? A minus B into A plus B. Now then we have to say which of the following is true. So what we're going to do, we have one equation, let's solve it. So A square minus B square formula, we already know. What is it? A minus B into A plus B. So just open it up. So what you can do, A square minus B square, let's keep this one as it is and multiply this. So A dot A, because it is matrix multiplication, minus B dot A. So be careful, minus of B square plus A dot B. Now we got, now A square minus B square is equal to, again we got A square minus B dot A. A lot of people will do mistake here. They'll make A dot B and B dot A same and they'll just cut it off. That is wrong, students. Okay. Now both the matrices AB and BA cannot be same. So we cannot comment on that and neither we can cut on that. Okay. But we can cut A square and B square. So the moment we cut A square and B square, what we got? AB is equal to BA, and that is option C. So you don't have to do so much what I have done. You can do it just in a fast way. Okay. Now coming to the next question, what we have is they have given us a matrix. So this matrix is equal to A plus B, and that they have given that A is the symmetric part and B is skew symmetric. Now in this question I'll go in a bit detail, okay, to explain you everything. Now this question can be solved in a very simple manner. So let's see. So any matrix can be written in the form of what? Symmetric and skew symmetric. So half of A plus A transpose is the symmetric part, plus half of A minus A transpose is the skew symmetric. This is symmetric and the next part is skew symmetric. So this kind of concept is repeated pretty much a lot of times, students. Okay, this is a 2013 question paper. Okay, now understand how do you solve it. Do I have to solve everything? No. What you have to do is, now we need to find B. So B is what? Skew symmetric part. So B can be directly written as what? Half of what I'm going to do, this whole matrix plus transpose of that. Correct? So this only I have to do. So 2, 3, 5 and minus 1 and transpose of this A transpose. Okay. Now here since we are doing for skew symmetric, so minus will be there, students. Okay. So 2, 3, 5 and minus 1. Correct. Now do I need to solve the whole thing and then get the answer? No. Just solve for any one row or column. So if I see the first row is different for all of them. So if I just solve for first row also, I'm done. Okay, I'll get the answer. So 2 minus 2 is what? 0. And then 3 minus 5 is what? Minus 2. Done. So if I do half of that, so 0 by 2 and 2 by 2, what I'll get? 0 and minus 1. So what is that answer? The answer is D. So very simple, students. Whenever we get a 3 and 3 also, we'll just do it for one row, okay, or one column, whichever you like. Don't go or do it for all of it, okay. It will be time consuming. So the moment they say symmetric, you'll go for this. The moment they say skew symmetric, directly go half of A minus A transpose. That's it. Done. Coming to the next question, this is of 2014. They have given A matrix as 3 cross 4. B matrix we don't know. So let's take M into N. Okay. Now they're telling that A dash B and B dash is defined. So defined here means what? Multiplication is possible. So let's see. So A transpose means what? A transpose means what? 4 cross 3 and B. So B, I know it is M cross N. So we know by multiplication law, this has to be said. Column of first is equal to row of second. Directly we got M equal to 3, student. Now they said that B A dash is defined. What is B? M cross N. And what is A dash? Again 4 cross 3. So the column of first is equal to the row of second. So N equal to 4. So what will be the order? M cross N? 3 cross 4. So what is that answer? B. Now coming to the next question. Again same, see the concept 2013 also. They repeated similar one. They gave that time for skew symmetric. Now they gave us 3 cross 3 but for a skew symmetric. Sorry, but for a symmetric one. Okay, so the concepts always keep coming like almost similar. So if you're able to understand the concept in one question, you can apply for multiple questions. And they keep repeating year by year, okay? So be careful, okay? And understand and solve it. So again, what we have to do? We have to find the symmetric part. That is nothing but half of A plus A transpose. Now I don't think so anybody will have doubt. Symmetric means A plus A transpose. Skew symmetric means what? A half of A minus A transpose. Correct? Now, so let's see. Let's solve it. Half of. So we won't solve the whole thing. Let's take this 1, 2, 4. Okay. And transpose of this. I know this will become the first row 1, 2, 4. Okay. This will become the second 6, 8, 2. And this will become the third 2 minus 2 and 7. So I'll just add this and this. Okay. And I'll be done with that. So what is that? If I see 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 6, 8 and 4 plus 2, how much? 6. So done, and half of it, what I'll get? 1, 4 and 3. Check students where we are getting 1, 4, 3. Directly we'll put the answer. It will just take less than 15 seconds. Okay. So 1, 4, 3. So D option is the correct answer. Now let's see the last question of this PDF. The next PDF will bring the next 20 questions of the PYQ. Okay. So this question is again from 2015. So what we have here is A is equal to 0, 1, 1, 0. Now we have to find A square. Pretty simple. Just multiply. Okay. 0, 1, 1, 0. So what you will get? Simple multiplication, everybody knows. First row, first column. So 0 and 1 plus 1, 1. Again first row, second column. So 0 and 0. Correct? Now if you see 1, 0 is this one and this one. So there is a tie. Now let's solve the next one, this one. So for second row, first column. So 0 and again here 0. So we got here 0. So answer D is the correct option. Nothing more. Don't solve all. If it is a 3 cross 3 also, no need to solve everything. If you're able to, by 3 only, we got it. So done. Okay.